SERV stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So this is SERV Robotics. The price has been delivering higher and higher like since few weeks ago, not few weeks, like 2 weeks ago, and it's been just crazy market, and I have been just doubling down on this bullish momentum, which, by the way, this is the previous prediction that I called out all this momentum. Now I'm still biased towards the bullish side, but myself, I'd only really buy if the price pulls inside of the demand area and gives me a double break. Anything else other than that would just pretty much be noise, and I would not really be, putting it. I'm not going to put any trades nor position in that case. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. If the price starts to go without me, so be it. I'm not going to run after it. And yeah, waiting. If you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.